I'm James O'Mara. I am the General Manager of Live Link at JCB. JCB is a global construction company, and Live Link is our telematics and digital customer support offering. JCB as a company, really it's about customers, and it's about what our customers need, and delivering innovative solutions for them. So we started with a trailer made from wartime supplies that were left over. We're currently making some of the most advanced backhoe loaders and telehandler products in the world, and we'll continue to innovate to deliver great solutions for our customers. We span multiple different industries, from waste and recycling, house building. We supply industrial forklifts, and we also have a very strong presence in agriculture around materials handling and logistics. The reason we looked at AI and ML is really twofold. First of all, we are a very customer-driven business, and we want to reduce administration for our customers and help them increase their uptime in every opportunity. And if we can automate some of that, if we can make it smarter and help our customers in a much better customer experience, then any tool that helps us to do that is absolutely worth investigating. The second item that makes AI and ML very interesting for us is we've been doing this now since 2007. We have more than 300,000 machines currently active within the Live Link system. So we're gathering intense amounts of data, and we have a lot of history as well, to understand how those machines have performed. And really, one of the things that we're trying to do is unlock that benefit for our customers. So it's not just us that gets the benefit of this data. Actually, we're going to put it in the hands of our customers to help them run their operations better. We first started to look at AWS when we made a strategic decision to reshore our telematics business. We've been working with a very good partner for the last 10 years, but it became the point now where it's such an important part of our business. We made a strategic decision to take ownership of that and stand up our own team and our own infrastructure. And we looked at what would be the best solution for that, whether that be some on-premises servers, whether it be through data centers. And we found that AWS was a really good fit for us as a company. When it came to looking at AI and ML, we did a small proof of concept with the AWS prototyping team. And when we decided that this is actually the way we wanted to go, Inawisdom became very highly recommended from our team. And after a couple of calls with Neil and Andrew and some of the Inawisdom guys, we really felt it was a good fit for us. So I'm a great believer in building a strong foundation, and what we've done is we've built a very, very strong foundation to go and build out our machine learning and AI use cases on. So we know that the data is in the right format, ready to use, and when we have a use case that we need to deploy really quickly, we're in a great position to do that. And for example, one of the use cases we're looking at the moment is we can show that for a particular trend of operation, combined with particular environmental conditions, and perhaps an error code on a dash, we can predict the failure of a machine hours or sometimes days in advance of that failure happening. So the ability for us to get out there in front of that with the customer and to manage that proactively will deliver the best customer experience. And that's what's really important to us. And I think the main benefit of building such a strong foundation is that when we need to move quickly, we can. It's been incredibly powerful for us as a business because working with our previous partner, a lot of our data analysis was based on SQL statements or on a limited set of APIs. Now that we have full data streaming and our own data lake, it's opened up all sorts of possibilities for us. The other thing it's done is it's consolidated our data, where in different parts of the world we had different infrastructure. We've now got it in one place. We've got it replicated in multiple availability zones, and we know that we can get to that data quite quickly from wherever we are in the world. And as an example, so we are streaming from 300,000 machines at the moment, about 25 million messages a day, which in itself is not massive given the scale of what we can do. But we are ingesting about 96 gigabytes of data every day into our data lake. So when it comes to our end customer, we're driven by our mission, which is to increase uptime, reduce administration, and help our customers to make better decisions. And to do that, we need to have a flexible software platform. We need to have access to all of the data that we might potentially need to help our customers make those better decisions. And of course, if we can increase uptime, then that's only going to improve our customer experience as well. So in the future, one of the things that we really want to do is to help our customers in managing their businesses. And one of the ways to do that is to actually just help them understand what's happening on a wider scale, and maybe not just their site. So what we really want to look at is how we can provide really meaningful actions for our customers. And rather than just provide reams of data to our customers, what we really want to be is like an assistant or a concierge, and provide a really fantastic customer experience through using AI and ML, provide better recommendations, better actions, and ultimately far better customer support. I think it really is all about the customers for us, and it's not about picking a technology because it's exciting or because lots of other people are doing it. It's about picking the right technology for the right reasons and delivering real value at the end of it. I think that's really the ethos of our team. It's really easy to get excited about shiny things, but ultimately it's got to deliver real value for our customers.